Hello everyone, I am Rakshak Singhi, a proud student of MVN Sector 17, Faridabad. In the conducive environment of the school, I have bloomed, groomed and evolved each and every stage of competition, inching closer to my goal of IIT JEE 2013. Resultantly, my 301 out of 360 made me achieve rank of 23 in IIT JEE 2013. MVN, with its managing director, Mrs. Kanta Sharma, President Mr. Varun Sharma, and Principal Sector 17 and Director of Aravali Hills, Mr. JP Gaur, along with my teachers, at every pedestal had a great supporter, patron, and mentor. I have no words to express my feelings at this moment, and I am sure that all my achievements could not have been possible without the timely guidance and support of my revered teachers at MVN, who kept me focused and remained my strong beacons of light whenever I confronted a moment of doubt. The school built me into a humble and disciplined person and with an optimistic attitude of life. I am fortunate enough to clear KVPY with an All India rank of 3. I also cleared National Standard Examination in Chemistry, Indian National Chemistry Olympiad. I also went for orientation cum selection camp at HBCSC Mumbai. I also cleared National Standard Examination in Astronomy. In my class 11th and 12th, the concepts were presented in the most logical and in an interesting manner, with an environment for competition and doubt clearing sessions. Detailed conceptual discussions took place, due to which I could practice problems within the classroom. Supplements, practice materials and handouts brought me closer to underlying principles and addressed all our problems. Classroom quizzes and tests were organized for the continuous assessment, giving us real competitive life experiences. Class analytical sessions were strategized to optimize our grasp on the subjects and maximize our confidence. School made sure that syllabus was timely finished with adequate time for self-study. It goes without saying that MVN has produced par excellence result in IIT, AIEEE and PMT, now NEET. Besides other, with Nitin Jain rank holder 1 in IIT JEE 2009 and Arpit Agarwal first rank holder in IIT JEE 2012, it speaks volume of the achievements and accomplishment of my alma mater. Both the first rank holders were always a great source of inspiration, not only for me, but also for the IIT aspirants nationwide. Nitin's book, Secret of My Success, and Arpit's book, My Encounter with JEE, won me over and propelled me all the more strongly towards IIT, which was my sole goal. I avail this opportunity to inform one and all that MVN Education Society has been a great stride in successfully running of MVN University with graduate, postgraduate and doctorate courses in various fields of engineering and business management courses. I extend my hearty congratulations to the management. My address would remain incomplete unless I express my profound gratitude to my school MVN for providing me with 100% fee exemption and scholarship during study period in school. All in all, I owe my success to my parents, school and teachers and their blessings.